welcome to week 6 of our Abacus online class. Alright, so before we look at today's lesson, last week we looked at the almighty 5. Alright, so let's quickly look at a review of the almighty 5. We said to be able to get 5 on your Abacus 2, what do? With 5, because 5 is at the upper beat level, all numbers, when we are adding numbers at the upper beat, we use our index finger to add them. So because 5 is here, even though we are doing plus 5, but we will not use our thumb. No. We will use our index finger to add. Then we use our thumb to subtract. Good. So to get 5, simply take your index finger and move the top bead on your ones rod down, and then you have 5. Excellent. And then minus 5, take your thumb, move the bead from the bead back up, and then you have minus 5. Excellent. I hope we've remembered that. Now let's go straight to today's lesson. Today we'll be looking at what? The butterfly numbers. Alright, so I know we all know a butterfly. You see that when a butterfly is flying, it moves, spread the wings up and bring it down together. Good. So we are looking at, look at this is how the wings of the butterfly move. Is that not so? So the butterfly numbers are numbers that when we are adding them, they mimic the movement of the butterfly. So when we do this way is butterfly out, this way is butterfly in. Good. So let's look at the butterfly numbers. The butterfly numbers are number 6, the number 7, the number 8, and the number 9. With these numbers, when we are adding them on our Abacus 2, we do it with our thumb and index finger, and then we click in at the same time. That's why we call them the Abacus, the butterfly numbers. Now, let's go to our. These are our butterfly numbers: 6, 7, 8, and 9. Over the next few lessons, we'll be tackling these butterfly numbers one after the other. So, in our lesson today, we'll be looking at 6, the butterfly number 6. Okay, so let's look at how to find 6 on our Abacus 2. 6 is our main focus for today. So, prepare yourself, clear your tool, and let's move together, because we are doing this together. I'm not doing everything by myself. So let's go. I hope you have cleared your tool like I have cleared mine. Good. So how do you find the number 6 on your Abacus 2? Now, we've already identified that this number here on our ones rod is what? 5. Very good. And we have identified that the value of the numbers here is what? 1. If you have 1 here, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So alone, this is 1. This is another 1. This is another 1. This is another 1. So if you only become 2, if you move it together, we have 2. If we move this together, we have 3. If we move this together, we have 4. So the same way, if we have 5 up here and we want to find 6, we take our thumb and our index finger at the same time, and we butterfly in from 1 and what? 5. And that is what? 6. I'll take that again. I'm clearing my tool. Good. Now, I take my thumb and my index finger. I know that the value here is 5. The value here is 1. So, when we have 5 plus 1, what do we get? 6. Good. So, to get 6 on our Abacus 2, take your thumb and your index finger and butterfly in. And then you have 6. Is that okay? Good. So to get plus 6, let me clear and demonstrate again, so that I will leave you to also do it on your tool. Now, I'll take my thumb, my index finger, I butterfly in. Butterfly in 6. Is that okay? Good. So clear your tool and do it for me. Yeah? So let's do it together. We have cleared our tool. Let's butterfly in. Very good. And that is what? 6. That is 6. Now, to get minus 6, what do we do? Alright. So, in our next lesson, we'll zoom in on that. Let's focus on getting what? Our plus 6. Alright, so clear your 2. So we have gotten 6. Now, we butterfly in, and that is 6. For the last time, I'll do it. We butterfly in, and we get what? 6. Very good. So let's solve some example questions under the butterfly number 6, so that we will not be lost. Now, we have some questions on the board here. I will solve them with you so that we can what? Know how to go about working with numbers on the butterfly number 6. Good. So we have 6 minus 5 minus 1. So what do? We first of all go on with our thumb and our index finger. We said what? 6. So let's do the 6. Good. Minus 5. So thumb out. Good. Then minus 1. Then we take it. What's the answer? So you see that there is nothing at the beam here. And whenever there is nothing to read, our answer is what? Your guess is as good as mine. 0. Good. Now, clear your tooth and let's go back to the next question, which is 6 minus 5 plus 5. Okay, so let's do that together. With my thumb and my index finger, I'll find 6. Alright, minus 5. Good. Plus 5. Good. What's the result? 5 plus 1, we get 6 as our answer. So let's write that nicely. So your result is what? 6. Good. Now, let's clear our tool and go back to go on to the next question. We have 5 plus 2 minus 1. What do? Take your index finger, find 5. So we have 5 plus 2. Let's go. Great. Minus 1. Excellent. What's the answer? Very good. The answer is what? 6. 5 and 6. With 5 and 1, we have 6 as our answer. Excellent. Good job. Now, let's clear our 2. Good. So now we have 6 plus 3 minus 3. How do we go about solving that? My thumb and index finger at the same time. I butterfly in my 6. Butterfly in 6 plus 3. Thumb up. 3 minus 3. Index finger down. 3. Very good. What's my answer? 6. Very good. So my answer is 6. Excellent. So, anytime you are confused or lost, you can pause the video, try it, and go again. Alright. So now we have 3 minus 2 plus 5. What do? First of all, I'll clear my 2. And after I clear my 2, I can now go on and do our 3 minus 2 plus 5. So 3, let's go. Thumb up, 3. Now you have minus 2. Index finger down, 2. Then you have plus 5. Index finger down, plus 5. Very good. So what will be our answer? The answer is 6. Good. Is that okay? Now, let's clear our 2 and work the next problem. Our next problem is 4 minus 4 plus 6. So, with my thumb, I will do 4. Good. Thumb up. 4 minus 4. Index finger down. 4 plus 6. Butterfly in 6. And what's the result? The result is 6. Good. So, let me clear my 2 and we'll go back to the next. We go on to the next question of the day. Now we have 5 plus 4 minus 3. So, first of all, I will do the 5. So, how do I get 5? Good. Index finger down. 5. Then plus 4. Index, thumb up. We have 4 minus 3. Index finger down. 3. What's the result? 6. So we have 6. Very good. Now, if that is certain, let's clear our 2. Having cleared our 2, let's look at 2 plus 6 minus 2. So, let's get 2. With 2, I'll have my index finger up, 2. My thumb up, 2. Plus 6. Good. So, plus 6, I have to do what? Butterfly in 6. Then, minus 2. Index finger down, 2. What's the result? 6. Excellent. The answer is 6. Alright, let's look at the last problem of the day. We have 5 plus 2 minus 5. How do we work that? So with 5 plus 2 minus 5, I first of all, I didn't clear my 2. Let's clear our 2 before we work. Always clear your 2 before you move to the next problem. So I first take my index finger and I bring it down. 5, index finger down, 5. Then plus 2, thumb up, 2, minus 5, thumb up, minus 5. What's the result? The result is 2. Very good. So, now we have successfully solved under our butterfly number 6. I hope you have learned something. Please practice, because practice makes a man perfect. Open to your booklet where we have the butterfly numbers. Okay? Now friends, let us move to the butterfly numbers. When you get there, you will have plus 6 is equals to 1 plus 5 is here. So solve it into your booklet, practice, become perfect, and you will excel in your abacus class. Please apply what you are doing in the classroom. Your simple additions, let your thumb and your index finger help you. Okay? So once we are done, very soon we're moving to mental calculation. So please practice so that we don't suffer when we get to mental calculations. Thank you for joining us for week 6 of our abacus or our CG Maths class. You are very much welcome. It was nice having you, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye.